Welcome to the channel, and today we are playing jailbreak on Roblox. Sorry if the sound is too loud. Just trying out a new recorder. There, okay. It's alright now. Right now I'm going to pick up my blood. Alright, so I'm back. Hold on. I have my Mustang. You can't see what I have on right now, but some lag. There you go. Got a candy cane Mustang. And right now I'm going to put my Bugatti the train way. I'm taking my car is so glitched. Daddy? Now, oh shoot, there's a cop with a Bugatti. I've gone them. I'm good. I swear. Oh, thank God. Right. So here she is, you know. We got full Bugatti. Know if I'm talking loud enough, but just excuse me. It's just my new. As I'm not using my mic at the moment because I need to get a new one. And I get like a blizzard mic or something. I think that's what it's called. No, abominable. Nah. So we're gonna rush some stores I do not have. I might just go and get one. Oh, the key card here. Yelena. Oh shoot! Hacker! Wow. He's trying to search. That suck jailbreak. No one even likes you. And it's not like you have like what 2 million likes. It's just boring, honestly. Oh Lord. Don't tell me this is happening again. Oh Lord. Screen froze! Damn. Oh. Sorry, that's just oh, that's the music I'm listening to. Hold on. Burner Boy in it, sick. Alright. Here's my account if you wanna go follow me at BigBobby919boy. Oh not boy, that's my not that name, but whatever. Biggest oof. Now is it what to put it? I need to have the 1v1 with this guy. Yo, my cursor is lagging. So if you don't know, basically, which you don't, so I challenged him because he has a really good inventory on this game, Bubblegum Simulator. I call it Bubblegum Sim, and I want his account with all his pets and stuff. So what I want to do is I want to have a wager. So I'll give him my account because I'm pretty decent, but not the best. I have some really good pets. I'll give him like a couple hundred Robux, like 500. And my account on there. Oh, he's replying. And are having a battle on strucid because I have a VIP, and whoever wins gets the other person. Recording. Let's do it now. Right, hold on. Let me just tell him what recorder to use. Use the record. This isn't sponsored by them. It's just a good recorder, honestly. Recast. Oh, my. Oh. Oh, he uses it already. Okay. Sorry if I'm typing so loud. I just need to find strucid. Oh, there it is. Didn't even realize. I tried out the new map a couple days ago. Oh no, wait, I didn't go my VIP. Oh shoot. Oh, I messed up. Come on, hurry up. I might have 2 tabs at a time. Yeah, I do. Okay, good. It's only showing the VIP. Yep, my VIP. Angelina. Alright. Yes, my VIP. Hold on. This is the gun game right now. I need to get. Yo, you see the right? That's how fast I'm building. Well, I'm just kidding, I'm not building. I'm just tapping some random things. Then oh, is he in? Come in! Alright, I'm going to pause it right here. Alright, hold on guys. Let's check it. Yeah, okay. Still is in the game. That was what I was building before. Oh, so very. Alright, so the match is going to this now. Now it's just could be behind me. I don't know. Oh, they changed it. Oh, it's really blue now. Right. Yes. Yeah. Oh shoot. I heard so. Yo, wait, what? Everything is. Yo, lag. What? Why is he standing still? Yeah, I have the full mass. What is this one? Oh shoot. I report myself again. Come on, man. No! Yeah. I'm low health as well, so he should kill me this time. See them crosshair? So, see. Come on, bro. The recoil. Bro. Oh my gosh. I got a deagle. Oh. Yo, I did. Sorry for the terrible 90s. Oof. Can build pretty well. Can't build better than you can do it. Get doinked. Go on, you won't do it. Yo, it's so dark in here. Oh shoot, the light's gone. Wait, what? Oh shoot. Yo. Oh, come on. The hell? It's like freaky stuff. Alright, guys, I'll end the video here. No, actually, not. After this. Okay, yeah. I won the race. Now the actual competition start. For whoever wins most gets the inventory. Oh, free for all. Okay. Oh yes, this is on the new map. Name guns. I need to change to the default weapons because this guy's a default. My shotgun turned into attack. This into this. This turned to be sniper. Yeah, there you go. Let's get it. Right. Bye guys. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications.